So guys, I'm gonna move the head so it won't be in our way. Just for a second. And let's unpack. I have wanted something like this for a while now, so let's see what is inside. Okay, so this is the tool. It looks decent. We'll see how it is gonna perform. We have this, which is for the handle. It mounts like this, probably, just like that. And it is additional hold. I'm guessing that I have to remove this, and then it's gonna fit better, like this. And it has this thing to hold it in place, just like that. But I think I won't need this for the moment. And we have this little box with some accessories for it. This is the most important I'm gonna use right away. And this small key and some other grinding stone pieces and some sandpaper. This is actually for cutting stuff and grinding as well. Basically they are okay. We have this is with diamond tip, so it can polish some stuff. This thing can be used for this cushion thingy. So we have drill bit as well, two of them actually. And basically this is it. The other important thing that it is in the set is this, which is gonna allow me hopefully to grind inside of the parts of the head. So I'm gonna install this and we are gonna try to see how it is gonna perform. Well guys, I'm finally done with the ports. I did what I could. I know they are not perfect, but still they are way better from when I started this process, and I think that I have managed to accomplish something very cool. And I'm gonna stop sanding them because I think I have reached my goal, and now it is time to jump onto the valve beds and cleaning and fitting the valves. So this is the next step that will allow me to, once I fit the valves and everything is okay with them, I'm gonna be ready to clean this surface a bit and start assembling the head. I'm just gonna install the valve seals that are over here. I'm gonna remove these ones, the old ones, because I'm gonna damage them anyway while I fit the valves. So I'm gonna get this out and I'm gonna fit the valves and of course install the new seals, install the valves, and afterwards I'm gonna begin installing the turbine as well. And then I'm gonna fit the head back into its place once again. So let's not waste any more time and start cleaning the valves now.